Look at that beautiful blue sky. I mean, it will be blue. Over somebody. A rock. Look at those limbs disappear in the sun. Must be a late harvest for bananas. Oh, it goes way down there. Main line. That little one attached to the back of the carriage. The whole back. One of those two drums over there. Lake of fog down there in the valley. Another one over there. Haven't even wore the paint off of this machine yet. At least it's well greased. Still shiny. Look at that. And the stickers, the warning stickers, are still on the undercarriage. This has two big chainsaw bars and chains. These grapple the log. And the wheels, the torture wheels, run the log through the whole head here. hydraulically driven, hydraulically clamped, a bigger cutoff. Look, another banana. That wheel right there, the log as it's grappled, the little wheel digs into the log, and as the logs run through it, tells you what measurement the log is. And little computer screen up there in the cab. This edge here is what rips all the limbs off. And the bark too sometimes. Imagine that little hunk of metal there. That little hunk of metal there. And that big pin bolt. And that one there. It holds all that shit on there. This probably weighs as much as a small car, if not more.